Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and today we'll take a look at the very first Samsung software update for the year of 2024. Now this one is being pushed out to the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5. I believe this update for January 1st patch was also pushed off to the Flip 4 and Fold 4 about 5 days ago. I didn't see that because I don't own those devices currently, but here we are with the Flip 5 and Fold 5. I'm hoping that the Galaxy S series follows right after. Maybe we'll see this update either this weekend or next week, sometime around Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. Now the size is running in right around 397 megabytes, and this one is also pushed out and running for Samsung One UI 6. So if you own the Flip 5 and Fold 5, then you might want to take a look to make sure that you have updated to Samsung One UI 6.0 as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this, then we'll also take a look maybe inside of the Galaxy Store to see if there's anything else pushed off there. But most importantly, I do want to take a look at the Samsung Mobile Security Update page to see what is new and fixed with this update, because that's going to give us details for what we will be able to see as well for the Galaxy S series. But it's usually at this point in the video that I like to state that if you're brand new here and you appreciate these videos and tips and tricks and the latest information on your Samsung Galaxy devices, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell for notifications so you get notified for all future videos. Now that the update is done and complete, I didn't really go through all the different applications and services and the home screens like I normally do. I do want to take a look inside of the Galaxy Store just to see if there is anything inside of here that, is sitting there with an update. Looks as if the Samsung text-to-speech is there for us to update. The other thing that's really most important is because I want to see what has been fixed with this update on the Google and Samsung side of things. So pretty much for this one, you just want to go inside of your settings. You're going to go all the way down into your About phone. And then with the About phone, you want to go inside of the software information, and this is where you can tap on that Android security patch level. And I will also place this link below the video inside the description. I'm just going to link it, taking you directly into the Samsung Mobile Security page, so you don't have to go through these small little steps right here. So we're going to click on Samsung. Now with this one, it's going to give you details on the Google side of things for your Samsung phone, but also the Samsung stuff. Now, taking a look at this page, everything that's listed on the top is the Google patches. Now, it looks as if there's one of them that is critical. This is a extremely long list underneath high, and this is right around 80 or a little above 80 patches. Then with this one for moderate, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then when you scroll down, everything down here is from the Samsung side of things. So this is the SVE from Samsung. It looks as if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and only 5 things coming from Samsung itself. So pretty much this one right here is talking about a vulnerability patch that was fixed inside of the Bluetooth pairing process. Basically, it fixes against remote attackers. So the patch deleted the auto confirmation procedure under certain conditions. Up over here, they did a fix or a patch for the vulnerability of My Files. Looks like another one as well. So there's a couple areas inside of My Files. Looks as if another patch was added in for Samsung Dex. And then something from the notification service. So on the Samsung side of things, only 5. When it comes down to the Google side of things, easily about 80 of these or a little above that, one of them being critical. And so that's pretty much all I'm going to do for this video here. Now, when the Galaxy S23 gets its update with the January patch, I will go through some of these Samsung services, applications, and software, just because I believe a little bit more people are actually using the Galaxy S series over the Flips and the Folds, but the Flip 5 and Fold 5 are the first of the Samsung phones to receive this update, other than the Flip 4 and the Fold 4. They got those probably about 5 days ago before this one right here. So hopefully you guys appreciated this video. I just want to let you know that there is an update and pretty much everything that was fixed on the back end of it. And I guess probably the next videos that you'll see from me will be from Samsung Galaxy Unpacked with the brand new Galaxy S24 series. So I'm super excited for that. But again, hopefully you guys appreciated this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.